Hi. So tell me if this is weird, but this is the most amazing sound I can ever imagine. Hold on. Okay, that might not be the best example, but do you hear that? That amazing crackle. It sounds strangely hard and soft at the same time, kind of like breaking breadcrumbs, I guess, except more muffled. I don't know why, but that sound just makes me, I'm just about to slip. That sound makes me extremely happy. So, thank you guys. Hope you're having a great time of day. And you better expect weirder vlogs in the future, because they'll be coming.